a great choice today with the 2019 Ford Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, bucket seats, power door locks, power windows, rear head airbag, brake assist, auxiliary audio input, third passenger door, rear wheel drive, tire pressure monitor. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.